The skin is one of the areas most affected by changes in weather conditions, which is why complaints about dry skin increase with the arrival of winter. This requires more care and hydration. Studies and research confirm the necessity of focusing on consuming foods that nourish the skin and help renew its cells. Some of these foods include 1. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidants and amino acids, which help relax the body and reduce stress. The antioxidants also help the body resist the formation of cancer cells, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. It is recommended to drink 3 cups or more of green tea each day to achieve better results. 2. Carrots. Carrots are not only beneficial for your eyes, as commonly believed, but they are also good for the skin. They are rich in vitamin A, which helps prevent the production of excess oil in the outer layer of the skin, thereby protecting the skin from clogged pores. The vitamin A found in carrots also reduces the development of cancerous cells in the skin. 3. Celery. Celery contains vitamin K, which keeps the circulatory system healthy and helps lower high blood pressure, making it capable of reducing stress levels, migraines, and even cancer. It also contains natural sodium, potassium, and water, which help prevent dehydration and the appearance of early wrinkles. Thank you, my friends, for liking the video and subscribing to the channel.